applause to our alumni. या कुंदे तू तुषार हार दबला, या शुभ्र वस्त्राव्रता, या वीणा वर दंड मंडित करा, या श्वेत पद्मासना, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्या पहा। अर्थात हमारी यही कामना है कि हे श्वेत कमल पे विराजमान मां सरस्वती हमारे अज्ञान रूपी अंधकार को दूर करें। With these words, I would like to invite our Honorable Trust Member, Shri Anil Agarwal ji, who is the Chief Guest of today's program, our Director Sir, Dr. Rohit Garg Sir, and all of the dignitaries for the lighting of the lamp and have the blessings of Ma Saraswati. I request all the alumni so that you can please shift to this side. उधर थोड़ी धूप आ रही है, हमारे डायरेक्टर सर ने रिक्वेस्ट करी है आप लोगों का ध्यान रखते हुए आप लोग प्लीज alumni you can shift to this side. Thank you. So today we have all gathered here in the Alumni Meet Samagam 2022, which is for the batch 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2010 pass out students. I, Shuchita Saxena, wholeheartedly welcome our chief guest of today's program, Shri Anil Agarwal ji, our honorable trustees, our honorable director sir, Dr. Rohit Garg sir, all other directors and heads of various departments, our faculty members present here, the students, our loving students, and most important, our ex-students, our alumni, for whom this cultural program is being organized. I once again welcome all of you. Please, first year and second year students, give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Moving further, I request our respected director sir to please welcome our chief guest Shri Anil Agarwal ji by presenting our bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now moving further with the program, I request the students of MIT to present the MIT Kulgeet and share the glory of MIT with all of us.
Jai.
Modika ma'am to please present the rose buds to the family members of Shri Anil Agarwal ji. request the Sanjeev sir, who is behind the organization, the conduction of this alumni meet, to please welcome Sanjeev sir. Please welcome our honorable HODs and the deans and our respected director sir. The two motivations behind the organization of this alumni meet are Director Sir and Sanjeev Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, जैसा कि छात्रा सर ने हमारे डायरेक्टर सर का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था, the most energetic and the most dynamic director we have ever seen. So अब मैं बहुत ही आदर के साथ आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी our honorable director sir, Dr. Rohit Garg sir, for the welcome address. सभी लोग एक बहुत जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें डायरेक्टर सर का.
Thank you, ma'am. हार को जीत की एक दुआ मिल गई, हार को जीत की एक दुआ मिल गई, तपते मौसम में ठंडी हवा मिल गई, और आप आए तो ऐसा लगा मेरे प्यारे अलुमनाई के लिए, आप सभी हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए, कि आप आए तो ऐसा लगा हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय के लिए, आप आए तो ऐसा लगा जैसे हमको आपके दिलों में जगह मिल गई, हमको आपके दिलों में जगह मिल गई. Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, our Senior Trust Member, former Chairman, MIT Group of Institutions, Shri Anil Agarwal ji, family members of the Trust, my dear Dean, Students Welfare, Dr. Animesh Agarwal ji, Dean Academics, Dr. Shindin ji, Head Computer Science and Engineering and Admission in Charge, Vikas ji, Head Applied Science and Humanities, Dr. Manish Saxena ji, Head Electrical, Shri Rajul ji, Head Mechanical Engineering Department, Manish Chavda ji, Master of Ceremony, Suchita Madam, Coordinator Neha Madam, Alumni in Charge, Sanjeev Gupta ji, all other faculty members in charges, my dear students of MIT, present students, final year, third year, second year and first year, and celebrities of today's program, my dear alumni. A very good morning to all of you. Indeed, it is a matter of pleasure that we are hosting alumni meet for the batches 2007, 8, 9 and 10. And on this auspicious occasion, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all. So on behalf of MIT Group of Institutions, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries, all the alumni who have come for attending this program. So may I request all the existing MITians, please join your hands and put your hands together and give a warm welcome to our dear alumni. Ex-students, you passed out very earlier, and at that time maybe we were not developed, but now I proudly say that we are the topmost institution of our university, and recently we have been accredited by National Accreditation and Assessment Council (NAAC) with grade A. And also we have been accredited by National Board of Accreditation in 2 branches, computer science and mechanical engineering. That shows that we are at par excellence with all other premier institutions of the country. And not even this, our students, they are doing better in each and every field. You talk about academics, we are the champion. Our students have bagged university positions there. You talk about project exhibitions, our students have been awarded at the university level, at the state level. You talk about sports activities. Recently we have won the zonal championship. You talk about sports cultural events. There also we are students are champion. So I can say, proudly say, that MIT is producing champions day by day, year and year. And this will go on and on and on with all your good wishes, my dear alumni. आप लोग बहुत बड़ी टॉप पोजीशंस पे पहुंच गए हैं और आप लोगों को ऐसी अच्छी कंपनियों में इतने ऊंचे पदों पर काम करते देख हम सब गौरवान्वित महसूस करते हैं और आप सबसे ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि अब आपका भी पेबैक करने का टाइम आ गया है। मैं आपसे आग्रह करूंगा, मेरे एक्स स्टूडेंट, मेरे अलुमनाई, आपसे अनुरोध करूंगा कि आप तन, मन और धन से अपनी संस्था की, अपने अल्मा मेटर की सेवा करें। इट इज टाइम हैज कम टू पे बैक टू योर अल्मा मेटर। तन से आप यू कैन कम हियर फिजिकली एंड गाइड योर स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स, what is going in the real world of work. मन से you can check online, you can subscribe our Facebook page, like that, post your good reviews so that मन से आप जुड़े रहें। और धन से भी मैं कहूँगा कि आजकल it is the accreditation bodies and state government universities, they ask for how much your alumni is contributing to the development of students at the institute. तो धन से भी जैसे आप कहीं अपना दान करते हैं, कहीं आप खुशी में कोई सेलिब्रेशंस करते हैं, तो अपने पॉकेट से थोड़ा सा पैसा 500 रुपए, 1000 रुपए, 2000, 5000, 10,000 जिसकी जैसी श्रद्धा हो, एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन के फंड में डालें ताकि उसका यूटिलाइजेशन हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग बच्चों की डेवलपमेंट में हो सके। उनको हम कुछ ऐसे गरीब बच्चे जिनको पढ़ाई के लिए पैसे उपलब्ध नहीं होते और सेल्फ फाइनेंसिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन की मजबूरी होती है, हम सहायता करते हैं, लेकिन आपका सहयोग मिलेगा तो वो बच्चे जरूर आगे पढ़ पाएंगे। और मैं यहाँ मंच से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा उन सभी अलुमनाई का जिन्होंने पिछले दिनों अलुमनाई एसोसिएशन में फंड रेजिंग किया और उसकी वजह से 4 बच्चे हमारे जो हैं वो गरीब बच्चे जिनके घर में पढ़ने को साधन नहीं था और वो सिर्फ सपना ले रहे थे MIT में पढ़ने का, उन अलुमनाई की वजह से उनका सपना साकार हुआ। वो अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, अच्छी किताबें ले रहे हैं, अच्छी यूनिफॉर्म पहन रहे हैं, अच्छे ड्रेसेस पहन रहे हैं, अच्छा खा रहे हैं। तो आपका पैसा व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा, ये मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ। और आप बहुत से लोग मंजिल पा गए हैं, बहुत से लोग अभी रास्ते में हैं, आपकी और इच्छाएं हैं और ख्वाहिशें हैं। तो आप सभी के लिए मैं सिर्फ चंद पंक्तियां क्या कहना चाहूँगा कि रख हौसला में मंजर भी आएगा। रख हौसला मेरे डियर अलुमनाई, रख हौसला में मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के पास चलकर समुंदर भी आएगा, थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर। इट इज माइल्स एंड माइल्स टू गो येट, सो थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा। तो आप नई नई मंजिलों को पाएं और मैं आपको यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि आप सभी अलुमनाई, हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट जो देश और दुनिया में अपनी इंस्टीट्यूशन का परचम लहरा रहे हैं, आप सभी अश्वमेध यज्ञ के वो घोड़े हैं, उनके समान हैं जो जब चारों दिशाओं में जाकर MIT का परचम लहराते हैं तो यहाँ आगे बैठी पंक्ति के सभी लोगों की आंखों में वही चमक होती है जो किसी चक्रवर्ती सम्राट की आंखों में होती है। तो आप इसी तरह से बने रहें, MIT का नाम रोशन करता रहें। Speak good about the institute. Please contribute. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy your memorable day. Have fun. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai MIT.
Thank you so much, sir, for your charismatic and motivating dream more, do more and become more. Now, I would like to welcome Director Pharmacy, Dr. Panda sir. Thank you so much, sir. You are most welcome here. So, moving ahead, it's time to take you all on a ride of MIT GI presentation. And for this, I would like to call Ms. Shuchita Saxena ma'am to make you all familiar with where MIT is reached now after 26 years of excellence. Over to you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू नेहा मैम। थोड़ा सा ध्यान मैं अपने एलुमनाइज का इस प्रेजेंटेशन की तरफ लेना चाहती हूँ। डियर एलुमनाइज, मैं थोड़ा सा ध्यान आप सभी का इस 5 मिनट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन की तरफ लेना चाहती हूँ, so that you can know what we have achieved in this 26 years of excellence. You are from 2007, 8, 9 and 10 batch. So from that we have reached where, so here are some of the glimpses of our achievements of your institute. Our achievement, no, your institute. So here it is. So to begin with this, we have a beautiful temple in the campus of Ma Saraswati. Now Moradabad Educational Trust, which was constituted in 1995 with the motive to produce skilled manpower of highest quality for the economic development of the country. And at your time we have Moradabad Institute of Technology, now reaching to new heights. It is followed by MIT Faculty of Pharmacy, Faculty of Architecture, MIT College of Management, MIT College of Pharmacy, and one more feather in this cap, MIT World School in 2022. So here we have reached in 26 years. Now, this is the major achievement. Our college is being accredited by NAAC with A grade. This needs a big round of applause. In 2021 for 5 years, and 2 of our engineering courses, computer science and mechanical engineering, in 2021 for 3 years. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर साइंस और मैकेनिकल के होंगे। एक जोरदार तालियां मैकेनिकल के लिए और कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए। Now these are the different courses which are offered in the MIT campus. That engineering is there, MBA course, vocational course is also there, which is of 3 years in different branches. In pharmacy we have 4 years B Pharma and 2 years D Pharma course, and M Pharma is also being proposed. And in pharmacy we have B Pharma and D Pharma, 2 colleges are there of pharmacy. And in architecture we have BVOC and interior design. Now these are the various lecture rooms. आप लोग सभी इन सारे लेक्चर रूम्स को जानते होंगे, आपने A ब्लॉक में अटेंड किया होगा. Now we have the well equipped lecture rooms with the full ACs and the panels, smart panels. Now these are the different labs. इन लैब में आप ज़रूर एक ना एक बार गए होंगे, the electronics lab and the computer lab. These are the students performing the different experiments. सब memories एक बार फटाफट से आपके दिमाग में आएंगी. This is a linguistic lab for the first year students to develop the communication skill. इस फोटो से आप बहुत familiar होंगे. We have our most respected sir, Dr. Manish Saxena sir. Now this is the E-Yantra lab, which is also there in the college. The seminars are conducted for the faculties as well as for the students to being update about the recent technologies. The different guest lectures are organized in all the departments: mechanical, electrical, electronics and computer science department and civil engineering. Now the international as well as national conferences and the workshops are being organized from time to time to keep us update about the latest technologies. The industrial visits are also organized for the students so that they can get the motivation and they can get the practical knowledge about the various things they read theoretically. We have a rich central library with a full Wi-Fi campus and beyond academics. That means apart from the academics, we also focus on the sports activities last year and this year also our college was awarded by the Zonal Championship Trophy. स्टूडेंट्स की साइड से एक बार इस स्लाइड के लिए जरूर जोरदार तालियां आनी चाहिए फॉर द जोनल चैंपियनशिप ट्रॉफी. Now this is the cultural society which organizes different programs like the Freshers and the Utkarsh, our annual cultural fest. The Literary Society and the Hobbies Club conduct program time to time for the students related to hobbies and the literary academics. NSS is also there. ये आपके टाइम पे नहीं था, तो this is also there. The different activities are being scheduled on a timely basis. We have the full enriched ED cell, entrepreneurship development cell for the students, in which the students are being motivated to start their own startup programs. We have a separate girls hostel and the boys hostel facility in the campus. At your time, it was outside the college, I suppose. Now these are the various other facilities which are in the campus: cafeteria, medical facility, transport, gymnasium, ATM, etc. Now these are the current recruiters. The companies came time to time in the college like Infosys, Wipro, TCS and many more companies are there. And this is a record of the last 2021 to 2022. What a record it is. Highest placement in Wipro, highest placement in TCS, highest in HCL, everywhere highest is written, and the highest package was 24 lakhs per annum, and the percentage of placement was 97%, and almost in all MNCs the students are being placed. Now this slide is especially for you. We have our alumni placed all around the globe. They are working in ISRO, DRDO, BARC and all public as well as private sectors, all the MNCs. Some faces are there which I can also see here. These are the glimpses from the last alumni meet which was organized on 9th March 2019 for the 2004 batch, the first batch of UPTU. The students have enjoyed a lot. यही अभी आफ्टरनून और शाम आप लोगों के लिए भी आने वाली है. All the cultural performance, the games and everything for all of you. Now this alumni meet was organized on 19th October 2019 for the 2000, 2001, 2002 and 3 pass out batch. And today we are here for this alumni meet for 2007, 8, 9 and 10 batch. These are the transactions for engineering as well as for pharmaceutical sciences. We have our annual magazine Voyager and our alumni newsletter is also published yearly. That's all. The brief glimpse for MIT and the progress of MIT you can very well see reaching the new heights in 26 years of excellence. Thank you all of you for patient hearing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's time to inaugurate college magazine titled Voyager, and for the same I would like to request all the dignitaries to please come on the stage. I request Animesh sir, Chawla sir, Kshitij sir, Manish sir, Vikas sir, Rajal sir, please come. I also request Anurag Malik sir, convener Voyager, to please come on the stage.
I also request our alumni, some of our alumni, Lakshmikant sir, to please come on the dais. I am reading out some names for the release of the annual magazine. Lakshmikant, Jagdish Chandra, Ashish Pamar, Sharad Joshi, Tripti Saini and Gaurav Mishra. Please join on the dais. The names which I have read: Gaurav Mishra, Tripti Saini, Sharad Joshi, Ashish Parmar, Jagdish and Lakshmikant.